Hey traders, welcome to day 9 of recording my trades every day for 90 days. Today I took 3 losses for a total of $700, but it's not real money. It's on demo because this is my first day of trading ICT, and I'm still 10 videos in on the 2022 mentorships. The reason that I made the switch is because I was going through my journals for the last 4-5 samples that I've done, and it was pretty clear that they were from psychological errors like being impatient, FOMO, and rushing trades. But it was also clear there was a problem with my system, because I would enter a trade and I would be taken out of the trade at 4 o'clock because the evaluation that I'm using right now, Top Step, they are more focused towards day traders. And I never really thought about it until I made the switch to ICT, that the system that I was using is not fit for day trading. It's a model that works in a swing trading basis. And I talked about this on the Discord. With either switch my systems to fit the day trading timescale, or I could switch the time frame to fit the swing trading system that I had, because it is a working system. Buying at support and selling at resistance, don't get me wrong, it works, but it works in a swing trading basis. Like the trade ideas that I have, it would take 2 days to play out, and that does not work with Top Step. And my goal through trading is pretty much to bring in money every single week. When Friday hits, there should be money to be collected. Not that I'm driven by the profits. I know that it's only a byproduct of actually just following your system and entering with proper risk management. That's what every trader should be focused on, because when I have a need to make money, that means I also fear losing it. And that's the root for most of the psychological issues that traders go through, or at least I go through. So I found out that my system was not working, and then I came about ICT. Now that I'm going through his 2022 mentorship, what he really does is he gives you a model to look at price action in a day trading time scale. Because I started off by investing in 2020, so my trades would take like a few months for them to play off, and then in October 2023 I started learning technical analysis, and then I pretty much found a system that works for swing trading. When I was swing trading, the time during the start of a trade and the end of a trade would be around a couple of days, maybe a week. And then I found out about Top Step, which solved 2 problems that I had. The first was I was taking way too long for my trades to execute. I wanted trades to be done in 5 minutes, 10 minutes. I wanted that. That's what I wanted. And the second one is I wanted more capital, because I was trading with my trading capital was like $500, and I was in a position for like 5 days just so that I can make $30. That was not a winning equation, and it became pretty clear to me. So I went around the internet, and then I found out about this great thing called prop firms. So I moved to Top Step, and then when I go through all these ICT trades, he has the answer that I'm looking for, which is a way to trade the markets so that most trades start and end within like a few minutes. So that's what I really like about it, and that's what I was looking for. So I know this is only day 1, but I believe I can be profitable in 4 weeks. I believe I can be profitable in 4 weeks trading ICTs. So enough yapping. Let's get on to the breakdown of the trades that I took. Alright, so let's start off with the weekly chart. So going into the week, I'm pretty clearly bullish because I think price is more likely to go up than come and sweep these sell side liquidities. So I think it's more likely to reach this level over here. So for the week, I'm looking pretty bullish, and this was the trading today. So I started at 8:30, ended at 11:30, got the lunch, and then on the PM I only traded until 1:30, because I'll show the trades that I took. So going into the 2-minute chart, we started over here. Price before the market opened around 8:30, it went all the way up. It didn't pass this buy side liquidity, and it started just nuking down. That was there was no pullbacks, bro. Like, and I was watching this in real time as well, and I was bullish for the day, so I was waiting for price to pull back. The first time that I entered was at this point. The reason behind it is that on the 2-minute there was a fair value gap that formed. I know there's a bunch of stuff here, but this is it. This is a fair value gap that I was looking at. When price came here, I put my stop loss below that level, take profit with a conservative 2.3 take profit, targeting this swing high. That didn't end up working out. So price went down, and I was pretty much looking at a place to enter, and then price created this other fair value gap. It shot it up, and I didn't have my entry there. I waited for the pullback. I entered with the stop loss below. Initially it was around here, I think, and then I moved it up, going for this low hanging fruit, and which is like just the most likely target that price is likely to go to. That did not end up working out. I got wicked out, and then market went on. That was a lunch, so I wasn't looking at price during that time. Came back at 1 o'clock. I was looking for bullish structure, and then price took out all of these sell side liquidity and this one. So after price broke out of this level, I stopped trading. I thought, okay, it's not looking like today's the day, so I'll just come back tomorrow. And what happened was price ended up going down, hitting that 15-minute fair value gap, which I posted on Sunday, by the way. And but I was not present for this move, and price actually did form exactly what I'm looking for when I'm trading now, which is price creating a fair value gap like this one. It retraces back to it, and then that's when you can enter a limit order with a stop loss below these areas, and then target a pretty likely scenario, which is, it could be this one, or it could also go up all the way there, which price did. And that's a 1-to-4 risk to reward ratio. So hindsight is always 2020. I understand that, but this is exactly what I was looking for when I was taking these trades that didn't work out. But it's okay. It's okay. Trading is a game of probabilities. Like I say, the outcome of each trade does not matter at all. But this is what's possible with trading ICT. So those are the trades that I took for the day. I'm feeling really good that I made the switch to ICT, because he's got what I'm looking for, which is to understand the market in a day-to-day scale. So yeah, thank you for your time. Like the video and subscribe if you liked it, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.